Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do seafood Cajun. We have fresh shrimps. We have the squid. Then seashells, known as halaan. And then yung shell po, ibabad po natin sa tubig with asin. This is how we clean the shrimp. And then sweet corn. And then squid. So these are the shrimps that we cleaned already. So we need to put salt. Tapos yung tahong. So, kinat ko na po yung sweet corn. Then, we need garlic and onions. So these are actually the Cajun sauce. If you wanted to buy, just message me. Thank you. We need butter also. This is the shells that we bought. We bought 10 dirhams. Sliced squid. Gisa na po natin yung onions and garlic sa butter. And then we're going to put the shells already. And then we'll just wait na bumuka yung shells. It means kung bumuka na siya, luto na. While we're waiting for the shells to cook, we'll just have to separate the sweet corn so that it will be luto also. So this is what we're waiting for, yung shells na magluto na, naluto na. Next, we're going to put the shrimps. Tapos hintayin lang natin mag-orange yung kulay. So ito po, orange na po yung kulay kahit papano. Next is tahong and squid. Once luto na po yung mga seafood, tatakay na lang po. So nilagay ko na po yung Cajun sauce para mag-mix na siya sa seafoods. So we have also the scrab balls. So guys, it's finished already. So come on, let's eat. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.